Today, okay, hello again. It's Murad Sultan's video with you again, okay. I wish that you are safe, you are okay in your home. So, Tuesday 5/5/2020, class 6 teacher Murad Sultan's video HSM. Okay, look at the shapes below. The first rectangle, okay, the first quadrilateral, in fact, is a rectangle here. This is 12 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, okay, this is 12 centimeter. This is smaller. The next one is 6 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter, my learners. This is 9 centimeter. Okay. And this one, this is 1 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter, and this is 8. Look at the shapes below. Do any of these shapes have the same area? Do any of these have the same perimeter? Yes or no? So, okay. This I thought we did it. This is, we told 24, the area is 24. This one 18. Of course, centimeters squared. Okay, 24 centimeters squared. This is 18. Here you can see that this rectangle and that have the same area. Okay. Then, do any of these shapes have the same perimeter? Let's check. 12 plus 12, 24. Plus 4, 28. The first one, this is the perimeter. The second one, 6, 12. Plus 6, 18. This is area equal, this is perimeter. Okay, 9 plus 9, 18. This is 22. Perimeter equal 22 centimeter. This is area equal 18. And the next one, I will consider this models. I will consider a whole, then I will cross this. This is 7 by 8, 56. This is 56. Then this is 9 multiplied by 8 is 72. 72 minus 60, 70. 72 minus 56. So 12, 22, 12. So this one is 12 centimeter. The area of this is 12. Is 12, okay. Is 12 centimeters squared. This is the area. And the perimeter. Let's check again, please. Okay, this is 1. This is 1. Meaning this one is 7. Okay, if I will use another method. This 1 will be 7 by 1 is 7. Okay, this is 7. This one is 7. And this one 9 by 1. 9 by 1 is 9. This one is 9. So 9 plus 2 will be 16. Okay. 16. 16, yes, 16, but this is 16, sorry. I'm saying. So 72 minus 56 is 16. Okay. Then you can see that this has an area of 24, this 18, 18, and 16. So this and this have an area, the same area, the same perimeter. This is 28, this is perimeter, I will check this one. So 1 plus 8, 9, plus 9, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27, 34. This is perimeter equal 34. Okay, so I have 34, now we can have. Okay, work out the area. Okay, this is 60 moderns. Now the question is that, is this one is, okay, this one for example is 50. And this one is a known value, okay? And here also, if this one is 60, okay, millimeter, okay? And 60 millimeters. Okay. Now, try to find this value. The area is 60 centimeters square. This one, my learners, can you change to millimeter? It will be 5 centimeters. Millimeter. Divide the 50 millimeter divided by 10 gives 5 centimeters. This one, you will make 60 centimeters square divided by 5. 60 centimeters square divided by 5 gives 12. So this one, my learners, is 12. And the next one, the area 100 millimeter multiplied by 60 millimeters. Okay? But the unit is here is centimeters square. This one I can convert to 10 centimeters. And this one I can convert as 6 centimeters. So the area is what? 10 multiplied by 6 gives 60. Okay? Okay. Area of a triangle. Students will use their previous knowledge of approximating and estimating to work out the area of different triangles by counting the squares at least. Also, students will need to physically annotate to avoid repetition when counting the squares. Okay. For example, count squares to calculate the area of each triangle. This one, madams. How? Let's count this one. This is triangle number 1. Square number 1, square number 2, square number 3, square number 4. This and that. Okay, I will use another color. This and that is a square. Okay, this also. This and that is a square. Okay, and this is a half square. This one is a half square. Okay, look. So, this is 1, 2, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, 7.5, 8.5, 9.5, 10.5, 12.5, 13.5. Let's count again. This is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This and this 11. So 12, 12.5. Okay? So this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it will be 12.5 what centimeter square. This is the area of my learners. The next one, look here. This is a half, only half square. This is also 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 half square. And this one is half square. Okay. Let's count the half squares. 1, half and half gives 1 square. 1, 2, 3. So we have 6 parts of halving of the half of a square. Okay, we have 6, means 3. Okay, and this one, madams, this is a square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the green one is 6 square, isn't it? So 6, this one 7, this one 8, 9. So this one is 9 centimeters square. The area, of course. The next one, madams. How can I count this? I will first of all start from the half of the square. Okay, then like that. I will count the green one. Half and half give 1 square. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 squares at least. Okay? Then how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Plus 12 gives what? gives 16 centimeters squared. So this the area of this is 16 centimeters squared. Okay, estimate the area of each triangle by counting squares. Then calculating the area of each shape by counting squares. What do you notice about the area of the triangle compared to the area of the square? Does this always happen? Explore this using different rectangles. Okay. Here, my learners, what we have? We have a triangle. Okay, I will try to count the half squares. This is squares number 1. Okay, and this is squares number 2. Half and half gives 1 square. Then, also this one, more than half. Okay, this one also more than half. This one also more than half. Okay, we will try to estimate it. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so approximately this one is 10 centimeters square. Approximately. And this one, my learners, is what? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be approximately. Okay. So this one, it will be 1 square. Approximately, my learners. Okay, this is. Okay. Then this is like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Approximately 10 centimeters square. And this one, my others, is too small. This is more than half. This is too small. This is 1 square, 1 square, 1 square, 1 square. This is approximately half or more. Okay, this is more than half. This is less than half. This is more than half. This is less than half. Okay. I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one 11 centimeter approximately. Look, you can see some parts are less than half square. It's not considered. And if it is half or more, it will be considered. For example, this one. Look, if I would suppose this is a square, this one. Okay? If I suppose this one, the blue one. If I would draw like that, this one it considers as 1 centimeter square. Okay? For example, if another example like that, if this the one is a square, and I will make like this one. This one, the blue one, is less than half, so it's not considered. Okay? So calculate the area of each shape by counting shapes, by counting squares. Here, my learners, how many squares? Okay. Each consists of 4 squares. Yes? Yes, Omar? What will be your answer? How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3. So it will be 16 centimeters square. And this one, my learners. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this one approximately or exact value is 8 centimeters square. Look, my learners, I can give you some idea. If I will extend this, if I will construct a rectangle, I will use the same blue triangle. I will use the same blue triangle, okay? And I will put it here. Then you can see this is a rectangle. The area of rectangle is what? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The area of rectangle is what? Is 16. Is 16 centimeters squared. This is the area of the whole rectangle. If you divide the rectangle into two triangles, you will get the area of this one. Meaning the area of rectangle divided by 2 gives 8 centimeters. Okay? Okay, Mo says the area of this triangle is 15 centimeters. Is Mo correct? If not, explain. So, let's count. This is half square. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 half squares. Okay, we can accept as a whole squares. If we would like to estimate, not to give the exact value. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And he told that 15, yes. Correct. Why? Because he counted the half square as whole squares. Okay? Then, part of a triangle has been covered. Estimate the area, my friends. Okay? So, let's count. Okay, this is 1. This is 2. This is more than half, 3. This is less than half. No need to do it. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is more than half is 7. This is less than half. No need. This is 8. And the one that is like that is more than half is 9. Yes, your answer is correct. Now, what is the same about these two triangles? What is different? Okay? Can you create a different right angle, triangle with the same area? Of course you can, my learners. Then, we can say that both the triangles have an area of 15 centimeter, of course. The triangle on the left is a right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees. Okay? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6, this is 6, and this is 5. If you will extend this and draw a rectangle, you can see this one is identical to this triangle. This is also 90. So this rectangle consists of two identical triangles like that. Okay? So the area of this rectangle is 6 by 5, it's 30. 30 divided by 2 gives the area of this one. Okay? So that's why it's 15 centimeters square. The triangle on the left is a right angle triangle, and the triangle on the right is isosceles triangle, meaning this side is equal to that side. Okay? So, a student could draw also a triangle with a height of 10 centimeters, okay, and the base of 3 centimeters. Okay, means that you can draw like that. Okay, this is, for example, suppose that is 3 centimeters. And this one is the height, means the height is 10 centimeters. Okay, so it will be 10 multiplied by 3, 30 divided by 2 gives the area of this triangle. Okay. Now, area of triangle 2. We have at least, now you can count the area or figure out the area of triangles by counting the squares, or by splitting, or by, let's say, constructing the second triangle that consists, that can use it to draw or construct a rectangle, because a rectangle is like that, isn't it? So if this 10 and this is 4, the area of this model is what? Is 40, isn't it? Meter for meter squared. Okay. But if I want to find only the area of this triangle, my loves, just 40 divided by 2, or 10 multiplied by 4, it will be 40 divided by 2 gives the area of this triangle. Okay? So, learners use their knowledge of finding the area of rectangles to find the area of a right angle triangle. They say that a right angle triangle with the same length and perpendicular height as a rectangle will have an area of this size. Using the link between the area of a rectangle and the triangle, students should learn or will learn and use their formula to calculate the area of triangle. What's the difference? What is the same about rectangle and triangle? Okay? There is no difference in fact. But the area of rectangle is length multiplied by the width. And the area of triangle is what? It's like the area of rectangle, but you cut this rectangle into two triangles, meaning that length multiplied by the width all divided by 2. Okay? And length here, let's say, denote, let's say, the perpendicular height. And width denote the base. Okay? So, here my learners, estimate the area of the triangle by counting the squares. Make the triangle into a rectangle. Make the triangle into a rectangle with the same height. This is the height. Okay? This is the height, my learners. Okay. And width. This is the width. Okay? No matter if the width is going to be more than the height. Okay? So, I will construct like that. This is, I will construct my rectangle. Yes. Okay. I will construct a rectangle, then the orange triangle is inside of my rectangle. So the area of this, my learners, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. 5 by 4 is 20 centimeters square. This is the area of this rectangle. But if you divide this rectangle into two identical triangles, you will get this. Okay? So the area of the green, let's say, triangle now is what? Is 40 divided by 2. Is 40? Is 20 divided by 2 means 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, figure out the answer. Then divide by 2. Okay? So the area of the triangle is half the area of the rectangle. If L represents the length and H represents the height, so area of rectangle is length multiplied by the height, isn't it? You use this to calculate the area of the rectangle. This is the area of the rectangle, and this is the triangle, and this is a rectangle. This is, my learners, is 3 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. You can see that is a rectangle, in fact, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. So if I will divide this, my learners, into two triangles, you can see that this rectangle consists of two identical triangles. One is green and the next is blue. And also this triangle that has 3 centimeters as the height and length or width is 6 centimeters is the same as that triangle. If you cut this rectangle into two triangles, this one, my learners, this triangle is the same as that. No difference. Okay? So, the area of this one is half this. Means, find the area of rectangle, then divide by 2. Or make 3 multiplied by 6 gives 18, then divide by 2. Okay? Means 3 multiplied by 6. Okay? All divided by 2. So it will be 18 divided by 2 gives 9. The unit is what? Is centimeters squared. What do you need to do to your answer to work out the area of the triangle? Just I will divide the area of rectangle into 2. Therefore, what is the formula for the area of a triangle, my learners? Calculate the area of a triangle. Okay, the formula is what? Is area of a rectangle divided by 2. More than that means height multiplied by base divided by 2. So, as you are in grade 6, if you will, let's say, if the question is given like that, work out the area of a triangle. And a triangle is not drawn on a coordinated grid. So, and for example, the triangle is like that. This is 5, this is 10, for example. Just in your mind, suppose that is a whole rectangle. Find the area of this rectangle, then divide by 2. Okay? So, as you are in grade 6, think of the area of the rectangle. Find the area of the rectangle. Then divide this by 2, will find the area of the triangle. Okay. Now we have a question, calculate the area of this triangle. This is the height, my learners. This is the base or the width. Look, the area of this triangle, we told that 7 multiplied by 2 divided by 2, or try to construct a rectangle like that. Area of this rectangle, you already know, 7 by 2, isn't it? 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. This is area of a rectangle. AR means area of rectangle. And area of triangle AT is what? Is the area of rectangle divided by 2 means 14 divided by 2 gives 7. Okay? Then this one, my learners. Okay? This one, it will be like that. So, this is a rectangle, this is 90 degree. Why? Because this is 90 degree. So, area of rectangle is what? Length multiplied by width. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, isn't it? This is area of a rectangle is 4 by 3. But area of triangle, we told what? Area of rectangle divided by 2, isn't it? Area of rectangle is what? 12. 12 divided by 2 gives 6. Okay? Or just make 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Then divide this by 2 gives 6 centimeters square. And this one, my learners. Yes, Ritesh Rami. Ritesh. Hi there. How can you find the area of this rectangle? This is 60 millimeter. It will be 6 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters. So, can you see this rectangle? This is 6 and this is 10. The area of rectangle, Ritesh Rami, it will be 10 length multiplied by the width. Means 6 multiplied by 10. 6 by 10 gives 60. This is the area of what? Of a rectangle. But you can see that